This little box could change where clean water comes from. 3D printing made it cheap. 3D printing made it customizable. Here's how it actually works. Designer Louisa helped build the mobile water unit. Designer Julika helped build the mobile water unit. They used metal organic frameworks, MOFs. MOFs are like super sponge materials. They trap water molecules from humid air. The casing and tank are 3D printed. Base is 3D printed in PETG. Top components are printed with SLA fast to produce and iterate modular design for easy upgrades. Tweakable parts allow local customization. Operation is simple. Open the lid for an hour to absorb moisture. Close it and heat for an hour to condense water. Then drain the tank via a ball valve. Produces about 6 liters of water per day. Portable, it can be moved. Scalable, build larger or many units. Downloadable designs allow local fabrication worldwide. If you like this tech, smash like, share with friends. Subscribe for more 3D printing breakthroughs.